Welcome to the Healthy Pantry, your daily dose of nutritional knowledge and wellness inspiration. We are delighted to have you here. In today's video, we're diving deep into the magnificent world of cabbage. In the world of vegetables, cabbage often takes a back seat to its more glamorous counterparts. However, what it lacks in glamour, it more than makes up for in nutritional value and health benefits. Whether you're a fan of crunchy coleslaw, hearty soups, or simply exploring ways to boost your overall well-being, you're in for a treat. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of cabbage and unveil the astonishing array of advantages it brings to the table. You'll discover why this unassuming vegetable deserves a prime spot in your diet. Join us as we explore the surprising advantages of incorporating cabbage into your diet. Let's begin. Cabbage supports and contributes to digestive well-being. One of cabbage's standout features for digestive health is its fiber content. Fiber is a non-digestible carbohydrate that adds bulk to stool, softens it, and aids in moving it through the digestive tract. Cabbage provides both soluble and insoluble fiber, offering a well-rounded approach to digestive regularity. It also contains compounds that contribute to a balanced gut microbiome. The gut microbiome refers to the community of microorganisms living in the digestive tract. A healthy microbiome is crucial for proper digestion, nutrient absorption, and immune function. Cabbage also contains natural enzymes that may aid digestion. Enzymes like amylase, cellulose, and protease help break down carbohydrates, cellulose, and proteins respectively. While the enzyme content in cabbage is not exceptionally high, it can still contribute to the digestive process. What's more, cabbage contains anti-inflammatory substances that can help alleviate inflammation in the body. This makes it beneficial for conditions like arthritis and other inflammatory disorders. Additionally, detoxification is the body's natural process of eliminating harmful toxins and waste products to maintain optimal health. Cabbage, a vegetable often associated with wholesome meals, also plays a role in supporting the body's detoxification mechanisms. Glucosinolates are responsible for the characteristic taste and aroma of cabbage. When cabbage is chopped, chewed, or digested, these compounds are broken down into biologically active compounds, including indole 3-carbinol and sulforaphane. Indole 3-carbinol has been studied for its potential to support detoxification processes in the liver. It can enhance the body's ability to metabolize and eliminate toxins, including environmental pollutants and harmful chemicals. Sulforaphane is another powerful compound derived from glucosinolates. It has antioxidant properties and can activate detoxification enzymes that help neutralize and eliminate toxins from the body. Cabbage's high water content, approximately 90%, contributes to its detoxification benefits. Proper hydration is essential for the kidneys and liver, two vital organs involved in detoxification. Adequate water intake helps these organs flush out toxins and waste products effectively. Moreover, cabbage is low in calories and high in fiber, making it a filling and satisfying food. Incorporating cabbage into your meals can help control your appetite and support weight management. Let's talk about heart health. One of cabbage's notable attributes for heart health is its fiber content. Fiber is a dietary component known to help manage cholesterol levels. Cabbage contains potassium, a vital mineral that plays a key role in blood pressure regulation. Potassium helps relax blood vessel walls, reducing tension on the cardiovascular system and helping to maintain healthy blood pressure levels. Vitamin K, present in cabbage, supports heart health by promoting proper blood clotting and maintaining arterial health. Adequate vitamin K intake may reduce the risk of arterial calcification. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Additionally, some research suggests that cabbage may have a role in managing blood sugar levels, making it potentially beneficial for individuals with diabetes. But the benefits don't stop there. Immune support is essential for maintaining health and well-being, and cabbage, with its nutrient-rich profile, offers a robust foundation for fortifying the immune system. Cabbage is a remarkable source of vitamin C, a nutrient known for its pivotal role in immune function. It's also rich in phytonutrients, including flavonoids and polyphenols, which can enhance the immune response. These compounds have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, contributing to overall immune resilience. Lastly, some compounds in cabbage, particularly glucosinolates, have shown promise in cancer prevention. These compounds are believed to help reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, such as colorectal, breast, and lung cancer. There you have it. Cabbage, the humble hero, packed with health benefits. Embrace its power for a healthier, happier life. Cheers to Cabbage, your secret to wellness. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information shared valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.